What's up people, good morning and welcome to my new vlog. Oh shit, why am I wearing this chapel again? I need to wash another chapel which is inside. I don't know where it is anymore. We're going down to the shop to get something to eat. Let's see. Oh, it's a lovely weather today. We've been searching for a place to eat, but we don't seem to find one around. So we're gonna shift our location to the other side. Here at the parking lot, and the floor is reminding me of, see, St. Joseph University students will know. But just one floor. Damn, these momos are huge. Massive momos. Let's just give it a try. We visited that restaurant for the first time and also probably gonna be the last time. Bad review, no? Just kidding. For other people it might be good. But I guess it's not meant for me. Yo, what's up? Huh? And it's already lunchtime. It's afternoon snack time. Gonna have tea and samosa. More like my daily routine. Hey. Moment of uncomfortableness. Just took bath, so still wet, my hair and everything. And I got a new roommate, see? Amo. He's gonna be my roommate from today onwards. He's also my part-time cameraman. Time-to-time cameraman, yeah. It's a good thing that he's here though. The cleanliness of the room depends upon him. I mean, he's the in charge of our cleanliness. See, the weather is pleasant these days. It was raining today entirely. Almost the whole day. So it's wet. As soon as I came out of the room, you know, I am attracted to the smell of the curry tonight. It's my favorite. Everyone knows it's gonna be pork. I love the smell itself. I'm excited about dinner for the first time in a while. It's almost getting dark, I think. Oh, fish! See, we've been collecting rainwater today from here because the water is limited these days, which is why. But the rain stopped, so we gotta wait for it to rain again. But sufficient, no problem as of now. Oh man, started drizzling again. Oh, I think I should go out. I love the weather, so cool. See, it's wet because of the rain. Oi, kahase. I think you guys are wet. From where? Football? Gym? Yes. Damn, the boys have started going to gym. I love the fact that it's raining. I want to be out forever. Chalo, dinner mukbang. Let's go. Oh, going for second round? Yeah, he should. Wow. You got Let's go. Yes. Okay, you're having 2 plates.
Going. Miss, we're going. Hey. Hey. That's what? Date.
Dating late night. Enak. Yes. It's really satisfying, yeah, to see them. I'm also feeling hungry looking at them. I think I should also have. Got second round. Let's go. Last 1 minute.
Ito mang mas pinili.
Yeah. Alright, where are you going?
Taking a bow. Alright. Our wedding is sitting here.
Hika and become the best eater. Rice killer semas.
Don't die.
Alright, enjoy. I think I'll also join you guys. Just had dinner, got back to room now and already headache. Maybe because I had a lot of fats. I like fats, but I don't know. Maybe I had a little extra, which is why. Most of the boys, they don't like fats, so they're offering me. More or less, I became a fats collector and eater at the same time. I need to have something sour. Let me think. I gotta figure it out very soon. I don't wanna stay like this. He did not even have pork today. What did you eat? Just potato? Aloo na? Aloo? Yeah, I don't know why, but he did not have pork. Everyone's favorite dish should be pork. And why the hell did you skip it? Anyway, let's see what I can get. It's about time I get to sleep, so I think that will do for today. I'm also asleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.